Throughout a watershed, many creeks, also known as tributaries, feed into a river. One of the major tributaries for the San Antonio River is the Cibolo Creek. The Mid and Lower Cibolo Creek flow through multiple counties, including Bexar County, Guadalupe County, Wilson County, leading all the way to Karnes County to its confluence with the San Antonio River. In 2004 and 2014, the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality listed the Lower Cibolo Creek as an impaired water body for primary contact recreation due to elevated levels of E. coli bacteria, which is why the San Antonio River Authority is partnering with the Texas Water Resources Institute and Texas A&M AgriLife Research Extension with grant funding from the Texas State Soil and Water Conservation Board to develop a Watershed Protection Plan for the Mid and Lower Cibolo Creek. The purpose of a Watershed Protection Plan is to improve, restore, or maintain good water quality in a particular watershed by identifying potential sources of water quality impairments and addressing water quality issues across multiple jurisdictions. Receiving stakeholder comments is an important step in developing the plan. Regular meetings are held for stakeholders to share their input and local expertise of the creek and local environment. To learn more, visit the project's website at cibolo.tamu.edu and visit Sarah's website to download a copy of our Creek Book. The Creek Book is full of information and tips for ways you can help keep local creeks healthy. Protecting your local creek is ultimately protecting the San Antonio River.